So the next example is a special example is there. Here CH2, CH2 aldehyde group is there. Here also aldehyde group, and here also one aldehyde group. Whenever 3 or more than 3 aldehyde groups are present on an unbranched alkane, then they are named as derivative of the parent chain. In this case, the carbon atom of the functional group are not included in the numbering, just they are named as a derivative of this parent chain here. So numbering is done for only these 3 carbon atom, 1, 2 and 3 here. And these compounds, they are named by using a special suffix called as carbaldehyde. So the name of this compound become as propane. 3 carbon atom, that is propane. 1, 2, 3 tricarbaldehyde. 3 aldehyde groups are there, so it become as tricarbaldehyde it is. Whenever 3 or more than 3 aldehyde groups are present on the unbranched chain like this, then the carbon atom of the functional group, they are not included in the numbering, just these groups are named as derivative of the parent chain here. Okay. Next, suppose if I take another example here, suppose CH2, CH and CH2 here. Here also one aldehyde group is present, and here also one aldehyde group is present. Here only 2 aldehyde groups are present on the unbranched chain here. Here 3 are there. Whenever 2 aldehyde groups are present, then these carbon atom of the functional group, they are included in the numbering. They are given priority here. So the numbering must be done from this end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this end also you can do, because both end are having what? Same aldehyde group only. Then what happens here? Total 5 carbon atoms are there in the parent chain. Now the name of this compound become as pentane. 1, 5. First position, 5th position aldehyde group is there. Pentane 1, 5 diol it is. This is the rule you have to follow here. Next, whenever aldehyde group is directly attached to the ring, then the suffix carbaldehyde is added after the full name of the cyclic ring here. For example, if I take this is a cyclopentane, to which aldehyde group is directly attached, it is named as what? Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Always you keep in mind, this carbaldehyde is the special suffix for the aldehydes. Suppose if I take cyclohexane here, to this one aldehyde group is attached. What is the name of this compound? Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Suppose any substituent is present here, like this, if I attach one substituent OH here, whenever any substituent is present, the numbering must be done from the carbon atom to which aldehyde group is attached here. So this carbon atom become as what? 1, 2, then 3. So the name of this compound become as what? 3-hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde. 3-hydroxy, substituent is hydroxy, 3-hydroxy cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Okay, so like this you have to name. The next examples. Now naming of aromatic aldehydes. The simplest aromatic aldehyde is whenever an aldehyde group is present on the benzene ring. This is a CHO. The common name as well as IUPAC name of this compound is benzaldehyde. This benzaldehyde common name is also accepted by the IUPAC. It is also called as, I told you, whenever an aldehyde group is directly attached to the benzene ring or any other cyclic ring, the suffix carbaldehyde must be used here. So it is also called as benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. And now any other substituents are present on the benzene ring, they are named as a derivative of this benzaldehyde. For example, if I take, this is your benzaldehyde, here CHO, and if I attach one nitro group here, numbering is always done from the carbon to which aldehyde group is attached. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4 it is. So it is called as what? 4 nitro benzaldehyde, 4 nitro benzene carbaldehyde, you can call like this, 4 nitro benzaldehyde. Suppose if I take another example, here I will write like this. This is your CHO group. Here if I attach bromine, here it is also called as what? Para nitro benzaldehyde. In the common naming, the position is what here? Fourth position is called as para, third position is called as what? Meta, and second position is what? That is ortho position with respect to this carbon atom number 1 here. Always you keep in mind, whenever any substituent is present on the benzene ring, we know that, okay, this is the CHO group, first position is ortho, and this second position is ortho, and this is what? Meta position, and this will be what? Para position. In the common naming, you can call like this para nitro benzaldehyde. This is what? Meta bromo benzaldehyde, or it is, I will call it as 1, 2, 3 it is, 3 bromo benzaldehyde, 3 bromo benzaldehyde. Okay, suppose two aldehyde groups are present adjacent to each other on the benzene ring, like this is also CHO and this also CHO, then it is called as what? The common name for this compound is phthalaldehyde, because if it is oxidized, if two COOH groups are present on the benzene ring, that is called as phthalic acid. So if you remove the suffix ic acid, you will get what? Aldehyde, that is phthalaldehyde. Common name I will write first for this one. It is also having common name, that is phthalaldehyde. And the IUPAC name of this one is what? This is, I will call it as first position, and this is what? Second position. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Benzene 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Like this, you have to name here. Okay. Next one. Suppose if I take OH group at the ortho position, this is your CHO and this will be OH. What is the IUPAC name of this one here? At second position, OH group is present here, 2-hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde, or directly you can write 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde also, because benzaldehyde name is also accepted by what? IUPAC. So 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde, and this is having one special name called as salicyl aldehyde. That is the common name of this compound is, for this compound the common name is salicyl aldehyde. This salicyl aldehyde, it is also called as meadow sweet. Called as what? Meadow sweet here. Okay. Next one. So the next example is CH double bond CH CHO. Here if I attach one benzene ring, here this benzene ring is treated as a substituent, because whenever aldehyde group is present on the side chain, then this benzene ring is treated as what? Substituent here. So the numbering is always done from the aldehyde carbon, 1, 2, 3, 3 phenyl prop 2 in 1 al. So IUPAC name of this one is what? 3 phenyl prop 2 in 1 al. And this also having one special common name, that is called as cinnamaldehyde. The common name for this compound is what? Cinnamaldehyde. Okay. Next one, another special compound is there, that is your vanilla flavor. This is CHO. Okay, here if I attach one methoxy group, and at the fourth position one hydroxy group is there. The IUPAC name of this compound is 4-hydroxy 3-methoxy benzaldehyde, because these substituents whatever are there, they are arranged in the alphabetical order. So hydroxy comes first in the alphabetical order. The numbering is what here? 1, 2, 3, 4 it is. So IUPAC name of this compound is 4-hydroxy 3-methoxy benzaldehyde, and this is having a special name, that is a common name for this compound is vanillin. It is called as what? Vanillin. Okay, next one. Suppose this aldehyde group is present on the side chain. Already we know that whenever aldehyde group is present on the side chain, benzene ring is taken as what? Substituent here. Suppose if I write this is CH2 CHO, here if I attach one benzene ring like this, then this benzene ring is taken as what? Substituent. Numbering must be done from the aldehyde carbon atom 1, 2. This is a 2-phenyl ethanol. 2 carbon atom is what? Ethanol. IUPAC name of this one is, only IUPAC name is there for this one, 2-phenyl ethanol. Or else if you want to write the common naming for this one, this is alpha carbon alpha phenyl, that is acetaldehyde. You can write like this. Okay, next one, if I write benzene ring here, and this will be CH2 again numbering is done from this end 1, 2, 3, 3-phenyl propanol. IUPAC name of this one is 3-phenyl propanol. Like this you have to write here. Next examples. So now we will discuss naming of ketones. For ketones, common name for the ketones is dialkyl ketone. Common name for ketone is what? Dialkyl ketone here. If mixed ketones are there, then they are named in the alphabetical order. Mixed ketones are named in alphabetical order. Then what is the name of the ketones in the IUPAC system? IUPAC name of these ketones is alkanone. They are named as what? Alkanone. Always numbering is done from the carbon atom which is nearer to the carbonyl group here. For example, we will write first common names, that is CH3 CO CH3. Dialkyl ketone, common name is what? Dialkyl ketone. If same type of alkyl groups are present on both sides of the carbonyl group, then they are called as what? Symmetrical ketone. And for symmetrical ketone, the common name is what? Dialkyl ketone. It is called as what? Dimethyl ketone. Common name dimethyl ketone. Next, IUPAC name of this compound is, here 3 carbon atoms are there. Second position carbonyl group is there. Numbering can be done from any end because same type of alkyl groups are there on both sides. 1, 2, 3. This is the propane 2 on. Propane 2 on. Okay. Next, if I take CH3, CH2, this is a C double bond O, CH2, CH3. On both side of the carbonyl group, again same type of alkyl group is there. So the common name of this ketone is what? This is ethyl group and this also ethyl group. This become as diethyl ketone. Common name is diethyl ketone. IUPAC name of this one is, since it is a symmetrical ketone, you can do the numbering from any end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbon atoms are there. This is a pentane 3 on. It is third position carbonyl group is there. Pentane 3 on. Suppose if I take CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. Now this become as what? Unsymmetrical ketone, because on both sides of the carbonyl group different alkyl groups are present here. So the common name of this one is what here? Common name is what? One methyl group is there, one ethyl group is there. Which comes first in the alphabetical order? Ethyl group. Ethyl methyl ketone. This is ethyl methyl ketone is the common name for this compound. What is the IUPAC name of this one? Numbering must be done from the end which is nearer to the carbonyl group. So this become as 1, this is a 2, and this is 3 and 4 here. Total number of carbon atom is 4. Butane 2 on it is. This is butane 2 on is the IUPAC name of this compound. Next one. Suppose if I take CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Two different alkyl groups are present here. This is methyl group is present, and this is what? Propyl group. All the carbon atoms are in the straight chain. Then it is what? N-propyl. This is what? Methyl. Always you keep in mind, in the alphabetical order, N and iso, these prefixes, they are not included in the alphabetical order. So directly you have to consider what? Methyl or propyl. Methyl comes first here. So methyl N-propyl ketone. The common name of this compound is what? Methyl N-propyl. Methyl N-propyl ketone. So what is the IUPAC name for this one? Numbering must be done from the end which is nearer to the carbonyl group. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. So total number of carbon atom is 5. It becomes as what? Pentane 2 on. IUPAC name for this compound is pentane 2 on it is. Okay. Next examples. CH3, C double bond O, and this will be CH, which is attached to the 2-methyl group. Already we know that one carbon atom which is connected to the 2-methyl group, one hydrogen, and rest everything is what? Straight chain. Then this is called as what? Iso group. This is isopropyl group and this is methyl group. So it is a mixed ketone. So the common name of this ketone is, what is the common name for this one? This is a methyl isopropyl is there. Okay. Iso is not included in the alphabetical order. Only you have to take what? Propyl group. That's why it is named as what? Methyl isopropyl ketone. Methyl isopropyl ketone. Then IUPAC name of this compound is, always numbering is done from the end which is nearer to the carbonyl group. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Third position, one methyl group is present here. So it becomes as 3-methyl but 2 on. Second position, carbonyl group is there. So this becomes as 3-methyl but, that is a butane 2 on. Okay, just you have to drop the letter E here. Next one, can write CH3, CH3, this is a CH, double bond OCH and CH3 and CH3. Now this become as a symmetrical ketone because this also isopropyl group and this also what? Isopropyl group. So the common name of this one is what here? Now this become as diisopropyl ketone. Diisopropyl ketone. And here numbering can be done from any end because this carbonyl group is middle of this alkyl group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second position and fourth position methyl groups are present here. 2,4-dimethyl, 2,4-dimethyl pentane 3 on it is. Third position carbonyl group is there. So IUPAC name is 2,4-dimethyl pentane 3 on is the IUPAC name of this compound. Next example, this is very important example you have to remember, that is CH3 CH3 CH double bond CH, this is a C double bond O and CH3. So for this compound a common name is, this is having a special name, that is called as mesityl oxide. It is called as what? Mesityl oxide. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound now? Numbering is done from the end which is nearer to the carbonyl group. This is become as 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is what? 5. Fourth position methyl group is there, 4-methyl. Total how many carbon atoms are there here? 5 carbon atoms. Third position what is there here? Double bond is present means it is in. So 4-methyl pent 3 in, pent 3 in, 2 on it is. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay. Next we will go for naming of aromatic ketones as well as cyclic ketones. Next is naming of cyclic ketones. In case of cyclic ketones, this carbonyl carbon it become as one of the member of the ring here. So if I take a 5-membered ring and this one carbonyl group is attached, the name of this compound become as cyclopentanone. 5 carbon atoms are there, cyclopentanone. Suppose if I take 6-membered ring here and here again one carbonyl group is attached and this carbonyl carbon it is being a member of the cyclic ring, the name of this ketone is included in the name of the cyclic alkane it is. So it is called as cyclohexanone. Whenever any substituent is present, the numbering must be done from the carbonyl carbon. For example, if I take 5-membered ring and here this is your ketonic group, here one substituent is present here. In case of cyclic ketone, always numbering is done from the carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon is numbered as 1, next 2 and this is 3 here. So the name of this compound become as what here? This is the substituent 3-hydroxycyclopentanone. 3-hydroxy cyclopentanone. Okay. Next another special case is, for example, if I take this is a cyclohexanone. Here even though if I attach one COOH group, always priority is given to the ketonic group only. So this even acidic group is present means this is also treated as a substituent. This is also named as a derivative of the cyclic ketone here. Okay. So numbering is done from what? 1, 2, 3. Even though COOH group is having high priority in the priority order of the functional group, in case of cyclic ketone, this is named as a derivative of the cyclic ketone. Okay, because here this carbonyl carbon, this ketonic carbon is being one of the member of the ring, it is taken as what? Parent, and this is taken as what? Substituent here. So the name become as what here? 3-carboxy cyclohexanone. Another example we will write in case of 6-membered ring. Suppose if I take this is a carbonyl group, and here if you attach methyl group, okay, 1 2 3, this is a 3-methyl cyclohexanon. Okay, so now we will name aromatic ketones. Usually these aromatic ketones are named by their common names only. Most of them are known by their common names. First aromatic ketone I will write, this is a phenyl group, C double bond O, and this is CH3. This is named as, this is the methyl group and this is phenyl group. Which comes first here? Methyl. Methyl phenyl ketone. It is methyl phenyl ketone. It is also having a special name called as acetophenone. Next one, suppose two benzene rings are attached to the carbonyl group like this. It is also again ketone, and it is named as diphenyl ketone. This also ketone and this also ketone. It is named as diphenyl ketone, and another name for this one is benzophenone. Next example, suppose if I take one benzene ring, this is a C double bond O, and this side we will attach one ethyl group here. Which comes first in the alphabetical order, ethyl or phenyl? Ethyl comes first in the alphabetical order, so that it is called as what? Ethyl phenyl ketone. This is the common name. So these are all only common names only. Okay, this also common name and this also common name. If any IUPAC names are possible, we will write that one common name only. So this is a common name for this one is what? Ethyl phenyl ketone. For this one you can write IUPAC name also. This is always it is what? Carbon atom number 1 2 3, 1 phenyl propane 1 on it is, because 3 carbon atoms are there. 1 phenyl, first carbon atom phenyl group is attached, 1 phenyl propane 1 on. Next example, can write CH2 C double bond O CH3. This is a methyl group and this is what? Benzyl group. Benzene with the CH2 group is what? Benzyl, and this is methyl. Which comes first in the alphabetical order? This one. So IUPAC name of this, that first we will write common name. Common name for this one is what? Benzyl methyl ketone. Benzyl methyl ketone. Then IUPAC name also written for this compound, that is substituent is present on this carbon atom, and here you can number from this end also, this end also, but here substituent is present means you have to number from this end. This is 1 2 3. If you number from this end, again here carbonyl group will come at the second position only. We are numbering from this end because here substituent is present here. So this is what? 1 phenyl propane 2 on. It is named as 1 phenyl. Propane 2 on. Next one, this is CH2 C double bond O. Again we will attach another ethyl group here like this. So what is the name of this compound? This is benzyl and this is ethyl. Benzyl ethyl ketone. Common name is, because this comes first in the alphabetical order, benzyl ethyl ketone. IUPAC name is 1 2, 3, 4. Call it as 1-phenyl. This is a butane 2-on. Okay, these are the names of aromatic ketones.